Hello, I'm Dr. Blake Gilmore, and I'm a chiropractor in Pensacola, Florida. I've had many patients ask me, Dr. Blake, what causes the popping or cracking sound to occur when you adjust me? So today we're going to explain it for everybody. So, first thing is, the popping or cracking sound has a technical term which is called a cavitation. The cavitation or the popping and cracking sound is made when gas bubbles form inside of a joint. Well, to get those gas bubbles to form, there has to be a decrease in pressure. Now hold on, I know I'm going backwards and it's a little confusing, just work with me. So popping sound, I said it's caused by gas bubbles, which is caused by a decrease in the pressure on the inside of the joint capsule compared to the outside joint capsule. That pressure occurs when you have a rapid separation of the joint articulation surfaces, and that rapid separation is likely to occur during the chiropractic adjustment. So we'll go backwards. We get the chiropractor to contact your neck in this instance. They make the high velocity, low amplitude thrust for the adjustment. That creates a rapid separation of the articular surfaces of the joint. This decreases the pressure on the inside of the joint complex compared to the outside. Gas bubbles then form inside the joint, and that makes the popping or cracking sound you hear, which is called a cavitation. I hope that was very helpful. If any of you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email here at Gilmore Chiropractic in Pensacola, Florida. Hope you have a great day.